Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to download and install Cursor AI on Windows. If you heard about Cursor AI, it's basically a modern code editor powered by AI that can help you write, explain, debug and improve code much faster. And the best part, you can get started for free. So let's get started. First, open any of your favorite web browser and then type here cursor.com. Click enter. Once the website loads, click download for Windows. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now open the downloaded setup file. Click on it 2 times. May ask run. So click on the run. Check I accept the agreement and then click next, next, next. And check create desktop icon and check all of them and then click next and install. And the installation process will begin automatically. Just wait a few moments for Cursor AI to install. And now the installation is finished. Now if you click on finish and minimize all of your background tab, and here is your Cursor AI desktop icon. And as you can see right now, the cursor opens for the first time and it will going to show you to sign in. You can continue, click on this login option. You can continue using with your Google account, continue to sign in. After complete the continue to sign in, your Cursor AI will rightly opened. If you have used Visual Studio Code before, then Cursor will feel very familiar because it's built on top of VS Code. You can even import your existing VS Code during setup. Now let's test the AI features. And as you can see, the sign-in is completed. Here it is. You can simply now close this and continue with Google. After select your account and click continue. Now give your phone number. For the verification, just simply give your verification number and your cursor will rightly open in your computer. It's a very simple process to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.